Okay, so before we start today's webinar, let me give you a brief introduction on what is TADHack Teens and what are we doing with this one, right? So TADHack is actually a global hackathon happening in 20 plus countries, right? So, simultaneously in Sri Lanka also this TADHack is the separate session for the school category. So we have two categories. One is the adult category where startups, even university students can come up with solutions. TADHack Teens is for the school category, right? So that is about TADHack Teens. So TADHack Teens this time we are actually closing the registrations on 20th, right? So if you have any solution, if you have come up with, even like there are a few more days to go. So I'll tell you in the webinar, like how you can come up with the ideas. So you can do that. And by 20th, you have to submit the registration, right? And by 23rd, you will have to submit the project proposal. So after the registration, we will be sending this project proposal template for each and every registrant. So you have to like download it and go through it and fill up the needed information, right? So with regard to your project, what you're going to do, then you can actually submit it by 23rd, right? So after that, what happens is like we will have some mentoring and evaluation sessions as well, helping you guys to improve your solution. Okay, so let me admit there are more participants coming. So right. So now, then after the evaluations and mentoring sessions, you can improve your solution. It's a good chance for you to learn as well. You will have to finance in front of the judges, right? So it's a physical event on 8th October. You will have to come and present the solution. Now, there were many questions on the solution, whether it should be like fully functional and stuff like that. So no, it shouldn't, like, it's good if it's fully functional, but you can come up with the idea and present it. Like even a partially working solution is fine. So what matters most is the idea, right? So a partially or fully functional solution for TADHack Teens, like you can do you can choose any topic. So that's also a frequent question asked, whether you can select any topic. Yes, you can. So as much as like the solution is innovative, that's fine. You can select your own topic, come up with a solution and present it, right? And then what happens is on 15th October, we will announce the winners, right? So that's the journey. Any questions on the TADHack journey or about its background? If you have any questions, you can raise now. Okay. If not, we will go ahead with today's session. So again, today's session, the objective is actually like a lot of participants from the last webinars and also the registrants, like they have come and asked this question, like what is the objective and like what should we submit? So many questions around this, right? So that's the objective of doing this session as well, because the frequent question asked was, the frequent question asked was, what do we need to submit? So the answer is actually you can submit any solution, right? Any solution, partially working or fully functional solution. And then the question was what is expected? So as I said, what we expect is an innovative solution. And then the question is like innovative solution, what do you expect? So that's why this session is being done, to tell you like how you can come up with such innovative solutions, right? So let's move on. And I think, okay, I hope most of you should be familiar with this screen. Any idea what this screen is? You can answer actually, even in the chat box, that's fine. Or you can raise your voice and answer. Anyone who knows this one? The screen, anyone familiar with this screen? Any answers? Okay, so this is Duolingo, right? It's an app which is done to learn any other language. You can go there, sign up and start learning French. It's very interactive also. You can try out. You can actually go on Play Store and download this one and try out. So you get the chance to learn a language, right? So it has these milestones and it's very interactive. It gives marks, it gives reminders when you're out of streak, and it gives like gifts and all also, right? Gifts as in like rewards, points, right? So it's actually to learn a language, a mobile app built to learn a language, Duolingo, right? Then this one, any idea? You can actually put, if you know, put it on chat. So again, this is gaming, PUBG. I think everyone knows about this one. So there are like so many mobile apps for games. This is only one, right? So even for gaming, there are mobile apps, right? And then how about this one? This one, I think, you know, it shows on the screen also, right? So it's WhatsApp for communications. I think everyone's using this mobile app. So see, even if it's education, even if it's gaming, even if it's communications, anything, a mobile app would be a fine solution, right? Why do I say a mobile app would be a fine solution? Now, these are the features, right? It's easy to download and install. That's why we go for mobile apps, right? Because like almost everyone has a mobile phone these days, right? A smartphone. And then like on this one, we can download any mobile app. You can just go to, like, within few clicks, you can go to Play Store, download and install a mobile app, right? And then easy update procedures. So why do I say so? So you download, install, and you start using it. Over the time, say the mobile app has new features to introduce to you, right? So it's just one click. You just have to update your mobile app. You don't have to like do anything. You just one click, you update the mobile app and the new features are there. You don't have to again like uninstall, download and install, no, right? So that's one thing. Why a mobile app? So like these are some reasons. And then one click, within one click, you can actually access many functions and services, right? So on your phone, there are thousands of mobile apps. Even if you go to like, you can check on your parents' mobile phone also. Or if you have any mobile phone, you know this one. So there are so many icons on your mobile phone, right? Even you can add more as well. That capability is also there. So all the services within one click, it's there on your mobile phone. So mobile apps are that much accessible. And then, so most of the mobile, I think almost all the mobile apps nowadays ask you to create an account. Why? Because they want to give you personalized experience. So maybe like what I like is not what you like, right? Maybe some feature, let's say feature A and feature B. So feature, you like mostly for the feature A. Let's say, okay, if we take Facebook, let's say you like to comment always on the post, but maybe I'm not that person. So likewise, you can get personalized experience. Even the posts you see on Instagram or Facebook, those are personalized for your account. Based on your account like behavior, they project what you want to see. So it's good. What we want to see, we get to see through the mobile app, right? That capability is there. And then it sends reminders, warnings, and information through notifications. So it's really easy. Even in WhatsApp, if we get a communication, it shows this notification. If we are not on the app, it shows this notification. So we know, okay, we have a notification, we got a message. We don't have to always be on the app or always go to the app to see what are the messages we got. We get that notification. So that's one thing. And then interaction and engagement opportunities. As I said, it connects people and provides some engagement, right? Almost all the mobile apps out there, it provides some engagement and like some fun entertainment, and it like gives the serves the purpose also what we want to fulfill, right? So these are some of the reasons for like why people prefer mobile apps, right? And also from this one, when you do this solution in for your TADHack hackathon solution, you can actually take these things and incorporate these things, because these are the features actually why people choose mobile apps, right? So if you can bring out reminders, push notifications on your mobile app, then it's successful. Why? Because people like this feature. So that's a good thing, right? Right. So now I hope you got some idea about like why people have moved to mobile apps and what are the features people expect in mobile apps, so that you also can include that in your solution. So why I preferably like chose mobile apps is that most people are like nowadays, like most people are looking for mobile apps, and since it's accessible through your smartphone, like within few clicks, they tend to go for mobile apps. So you also can develop one, right? Okay. Then, so these features are there, and what is the key for your mobile app to be a hit? It's innovation, right? Innovation is the key. So you can have all these features. Yes, it's accessible. You can put notifications. You can add in like personalized content. Yes, you can do that. But the most important thing which should be there is innovation. Then your mobile app can be a hit among the people, right? So here also now, as I said earlier, like a lot of participants ask, okay, innovative solution. How can we come up with the innovative solution? So my like it does not have this hard and fast rules which you should be following. But what you can do is, as a like tip I'm giving you, what you can do is like you can leisurely think, you can sit back, leisurely think what kind of solutions does the world need, or maybe not the world, like you can come up with a problem which you face daily, or maybe your friends face daily, or maybe your parents, some problem you can think of it, and you can give a small solution to it, right? It's not like when you say innovation, it's not a very big thing. You just take your time and like think about a problem and how to give a solution for that problem. Then if you provide a solution, and if you provide a really good really good features and interaction, then this mobile app can be a hit, right? So that's my advice on innovation. Don't really get like, because it's a big word, don't think of it as a big thing. It's just a small thing that you come up with a solution for a daily problem you face, right? Okay. So with that, I thought of like taking you through one of the mobile apps. So this is Enmo is the recent mobile app which we are building. So it's under the beta version now, right? So I wanted to like take you through this Enmo mobile app, so that you get an idea how you can come up with such creations. And since now it's under the beta version, you also can join and join as a beta tester for Enmo, right? Then I think it's a good it's a good chance for you, so that you get to interact and you get to know how this kind of mobile apps are actually built, and then you can follow these these tips and come up with your own mobile app also, right? So as I said earlier, this is the beta version which is available now on Google Play Store, right? You can actually join the Enmo beta testers group. So what you need to do is, I'll share the mobile number and the email with you at the end of the session. So you can actually give me a call and you can register for a beta tester. So only 50 positions are left. So you can give me a call and join as a beta tester. So you can actually see how it is done, right? Okay, so now let's see why and how we came up with Enmo, right? So before going to that, you have to download this Enmo app. So I'll give few minutes, go to Google Play Store, right? So this icon here, right? You can search, maybe like you can take your parents' mobile phone if you don't have one, or if you have one, you can go to Google Play Store and search for Enmo. So this is the icon. I'll give a couple of minutes, right? If you have any questions, please raise on the chat, or even You can raise the voice and ask. So go to Google Play Store, search for Enmo, and you can download and install it. Then we can see like what are the features there in Enmo. Any questions? Any, like, I hope you guys are trying it out. If you can't find out, just let me know. Okay, download it. Okay, there's a question. Okay, Rihan has downloaded. Nice. So I'll give a few seconds for others to download and install. Also, I'll share the contact details. So right away, you can actually join for the beta testers group because, okay. Okay, there's another download, right? Let me share the details. So then you can actually tell me whether you want to go ahead as a beta tester, then I will register you for that. Okay, right. So if you have downloaded now, let's go ahead with the registration, right? So I'll tell you how to register for Enmo. Now, once you click on Enmo, you will see this screen, right? Then you can go to this sign up option. Down here, you have the option sign up. Let me see, there's a question. Yes, okay. Right. So, okay, you can sign up, right? When you click on sign up, right, with this like with this explanation, let's try it out. If you have any questions in the middle, interrupt and ask. So you click on sign up, and then it asks to want to proceed. So you can select any of the language you can select, right? And then once you select the language and click on next, you can include your profile details. So we need the email, right? And the phone number, and you can select your own password. The password you choose to actually, the password you choose to enter to Enmo, right? You can select your own password and click on next. I'll give a couple of minutes to complete these steps, right? So you click on sign up, you select the language, and you fill in the profile details and click on next. Let's try it out now. If you have any questions, please raise. Right. So I hope now you have included the profile details, the phone number, password. Okay, there's a question. Okay, nice. Rihan has already signed it. Right. Then, so after you include the profile details, you will get this message. congratulations, you have like signed up, continue. So once you click on continue, now meantime you will get a SMS with your OTP, right? You can put that OTP into this OTP verification field box. If you don't have this OTP received, you can click on resend code and get the OTP again. So once you put the OTP, you will get signed in, right? At first, it will show that you have not subscribed to any apps. You can actually go to the Explore tab. Down there in the Explore tab, you can find all the applications within Enmo, right? Okay. Now let's see. So Enmo, now you have, I hope all have signed up. Just let me know if you have any questions. Okay, there's a question. Yes, I'll give some more time. So there is a request to give some more time. I'll give some more time. I'll repeat the process again. Then if anyone couldn't catch up, you can catch it up. So when you you download, install Enmo, right? And then on this very first screen, you will see is this screen. And on this screen, you can find this sign up button. You click on it, right? Then it shows this preferred language selection screen, right? You can select the preferred language. And once you have chosen your preferred language, you can go to the sign up page where you have to fill on the profile details, right? So there you can put your email, phone number, and any password you want to select, and then you can confirm that password. So once done, you can click on next. When you click on next, you will get an OTP through SMS, right? So it will also at the meantime show on the app, congratulations, you have signed up. You can click on continue, right? Then you will get to this screen where you have to verify with your OTP. So now that you received your OTP on SMS, you can put that SMS code here, right? So each number will fit into each box. So you can put it. And if you didn't receive the OTP, you have an option, resend code, right? You can get the OTP again. So once you have verified, you can click on next. Then you will be landed in Enmo. Initially, it will not show apps because you haven't subscribed to any apps. You have to go to the Explore tab and see what are the apps available, right? Okay, there's a question. Let me see. Okay, right. So let's give some more time. Some people are like trying out still. Let's give some more time. So meanwhile, I'll tell you like, so you can actually go through these steps, and when you like come up with the solution, you can actually follow these things. So like so that like you can give a better user experience to the people who are using your mobile app, right? Okay. Okay, so I think so. Yes, it's actually available on Google Play Store, right? So I think yeah. Who are we? Let's see. So one participant has tried out with Huawei, but it's actually available on Google Play Store. Okay, right. Okay, then let's move forward. Now let's see how you can now you actually signed up for this application. So you can see many applications in Explore tab, right? I hope everyone got into that tab. So in Explore, you can see many applications. Now, how these applications came to this screen, that's a problem, right? So let's see how you can share digital content. Now, Enmo, what it does is, it helps anyone to come and create an app. Even you can come and create an app on Enmo, right? And you can share digital content. So the people also can log into this Enmo app, sign up as you did, and subscribe to applications and enjoy content, right? Now, how do you actually create an app and share content? Now, I will cover you with a live demonstration, right? So, okay. So, as I said, now we are actually trying out this beta version, right? So, just give me 1 minute. Okay. So, as I said, now this is, let me see, there is another chat. Okay, how to join the beta version group. So you can actually, now I dropped the mobile number, you can give me a call and register. Give me a call, I'll add you to the beta version group, right? Okay, right. So now, so as I said, so this Enmo beta version is out there now, right? We have given you also the chance to join as beta testers. You can register by giving me a call. Okay. Now let's go through how you can share this content. So you can create an app. So this is the once you can actually, like, if you want to add content to this Enmo, if you want to create your own app and add content, you can actually give me a call. I'll get your account created, so you can have your own Enmo account, right? So since it's in the beta version level, we haven't still gone public, so it's not exposed to public, but we will give you the chance to join this in the beta version level itself. So if you want an account, just give me a call. I'll get you created an account on Enmo. Now this is a sample account I'm using. You can create a new app from here, right? So let's say for your school science society, you want to create an app, right? So, okay, I'll put like science society. You can put your school name and science society, something 2022, right? Then you can upload an application icon here, right? So I got some icons ready. You also can either search on internet, or you can come up with your own icon, own creative done, and you can actually upload it, right? And then a banner also. Okay. Then you can put a description. Maybe let's say this is the official science society section of let's say some school, right? You can put your school name, right? I'll just put like ABC, just a random. You can put your school, right? So you can enable comments on post, right? Enable content governance. You can actually remove, it's actually like this. Now, if you want your posts to get approved, when you share digital content, you can enable it. Then what happens is, like, your let's say every content you pass, a teacher, your science society teacher has to approve. You can use that feature, or if not needed, you can actually disable it, right? So you can create a free app, or you can create a charging app also. So either you can give it out free, or you can set a charging. Let's say monthly you can, let's say something like monthly 1 rupee, or anything. You can add any amount, right? And confirm. So see, few steps you can get your application created, right? Then what happens is, now once you create the app here, right? Oh, sorry, there is a small error in uploading. Let me upload. Okay. Right. So now what happens is, just give me a few minutes. Okay, I think we have to, let me see. So you need to actually put like a proper image. Let me get a new image. Okay, meanwhile, there is a question. Let me answer that as well. Oh, sorry, my screen was not visible. Sorry. Okay, let me cover it again. Right. Okay, now can you see the screen? Is it visible now? Can someone confirm? Yes, right. Okay. So let me cover it again. So I'll actually go back and create a new app. Okay. So I was actually covering this how you can create an app on Enmo. As I said before, if you want to get an account created on Enmo, please reach me. Then I'll get a new account created, because since it's like still in the beta version level, we haven't exposed it to everyone. But you will get a chance to create an app, right? So okay. So as I said earlier, now let's say we need to create an app. Let's say like you are a part of the science society, or it can be any other society. I'll take an example, science society, right? Say that you want to be a like you want to create an app for a science society, right? So you can actually type the name as Science Society 2022, right? Then you can upload an application icon, okay? And then an application banner, right? So here either you can like take it from internet, or you can do your own creative and upload an application icon, an application banner. And then you can put a proper description as well. Let's say this is the official Science Society section. You can even like create this classroom notice boards. You have this classroom notice boards. You can actually digitally create it. So let's say this is the official Science Society section of ABC school. You can put your school name, right? And you can enable comments on post, right? If you want to have comments, you can enable, or if you don't want to have it, you can disable. Likewise, let's say if you want your teacher to approve the content before it goes live, you can have enable governance, or else if you don't want to have it, you can skip that. If you want to go ahead with a free app, you can go ahead with it, or if you want to have some charging, you can actually put that also. Like, let's say you can put any amount, even let's say monthly 1 rupee, right? You can do that even, right? And then after you have created your app, you can confirm, right? Now if there are any errors in the image, it will show here if the image doesn't fit it. So let me get a new image, right? Because it has error, let me get a so I will download a new image. Meanwhile, if you have any questions in the application creation, you can ask. So it's few steps. You can just put the application name, upload the relevant icons, and then put a proper description and confirm it. So once confirmed, it will actually it will go for approval, and then it will show it on your mobile app. So I'm downloading a new image. Give me a few seconds. Okay. Yeah, Rihan, okay, app will not have a button to create the application. So as I said, so in the mobile app is for the people who comes to like see the content. So if you want to publish the content, you have to get an account created. So for that, if you want to get an account created, let me know, then I'll get an account created. Okay. Okay. Right. Now, okay, okay, there's another question. All right. Okay, so now So see, now I have uploaded a new application icon. So you can actually like get these icons from internet. So I just searched for one and got one. So you can confirm it, right? So see, now your app is created, right? And it shows as pending. So this you need to now like once you create an app here, it will go through an approval process, right? Approval process as in like a simple approval process, which will give you approval for this application. So once it's approved, your application can be shown on this Enmo mobile app, right? So one such application you can go and see on Enmo. You can actually subscribe and then unsubscribe from it as well. So let's go to this. You can go to the explore button and like explore tab, and you can see like there is a app for like fashion tips, right? Have you seen it? You can actually subscribe to that and you can see all the content, right? So now what I'll do is actually I'll show you how this content is uploaded as well, right? So once you create this app, it will get approved, and after that you can actually start uploading content. So let me now start uploading content, show you that. So let's try out the fashion app, right? You can subscribe and see. So once you can like after this session, you can unsubscribe also. You can you can go there and see. Now this is this fashion app which I have created, right? So you can go here and upload content, right? It could be a text template, or it could be a like a fashion template, an image template, right? Or it could be a mini clip also, right? You can upload that image and you can put a small description. Let's say something like jeans fashion. Jeans fashion today, right? You can either schedule the content for a particular day, say you want to send it on next Friday, then you can put that particular date. Or if you want to send it now, you can disable it, right? And until you delete, you can keep the post, or you can disable that as well, right? So once you upload this one and you write the description, and you can confirm. So once you have confirmed this one, it will be shown on this Fashion Daily app. Now I have subscribed to this app, right? So, well, yeah, I have subscribed to this app. Under my apps, it will be shown this app. So once I go to this app, I can see the content shown, like content which I have passed now. Okay, so are you guys trying it? Okay, there's a question. How to weave content. So how to weave content is from the mobile app, Pitusan. So what happens is now you went to the mobile app, right? As first you entered the user as the mobile app. And then in the Explore tab, you can see all the applications, right? You can see bio reboot, verified news, likewise you can see. So there is an app called Fashion Daily. You can search it and see Fashion Daily. Now I have already subscribed to it. So it shows to me on my app section. So can everyone go to Explore section and search for Fashion Daily app? Or you can go ahead with any app you like. So there are many apps, no, maybe like Fun Trackers, Travel with Madura. Likewise, you can go to any app and subscribe. These are the apps created so far on Enmo. Okay, any questions? right? Then once you subscribe, it's shown on your My App section. This is on the mobile app, right? This is on the mobile app, I'm telling you. This one. So let me share. So you went to the mobile app, no? So this one, right? So you signed up and you went to the explore button down here and you subscribe to an app, right? Were you able to subscribe? If you want, you can subscribe and then you can unsubscribe as well. So once subscribed, this app will be shown on My Apps section, right? Then you can go to that My Apps section and view the content shared, like which I shared now in the Fashion Daily app. I uploaded the content now. I uploaded an image. You can view it there. So if you have any questions, just let me know while you are trying this out. Were you able to subscribe to any app on Explore section? You can try out Travel with Madhur also, if you like. Then like when you subscribe, you will get a message from IdeaMart, right? Then so has anyone tried subscribing? Just let me know. When you click on any of this subscribe button, you will get a message. So you will have to reply saying yes. That so that you give like you approve. Okay, I want to subscribe. You say something like, yes, I want to subscribe. Right? So once you say yes, then you will get subscribe, right? Then it will be shown under My Apps. Then you can actually go and see the images shared for this one. For example, let's say our Science Society app, right? Our Science Society app will get listed under the Explore section after the admin approves it. Then anyone can go and subscribe there. Then after subscribing, it will be shown on My App section. Then from there, they can see all the updates. Like let's say Science Society is going to have, let's say some fundraise activity. You can post that as the Science Society leader or committee member or someone. So upcoming updates you can send. If you want to like engage with students also, you can post content and engage. Right? So any questions on subscription, on how to subscribe to this app and things like that? Were you able to see the content, the pic I shared on fashion tips, daily fashion tips? If you have subscribed, you will be able to see. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask. Else, let me. So as I said earlier, if you want to create such an app like Science Society, contact me. I'll get you a account created so that you can create any number of apps what you like. Right. So then, okay. Now, as I said earlier, now we had a look at how to share the digital content as in pics or texts or mini clips likewise, right? Now, again, like why and more. So as I told you earlier, if your mobile app needs to be a hit, you have to make it innovative, right? You have to like give an innovative solution out, right? So for Enmo, like what made us create this kind of an app is this, right? So it provides explore and engage opportunities, right? So multiple applications within one mobile app. You can get multiple applications within one mobile app, and you can like, comment, and interact with all of them, right? So when you look, like you might see this Fashion Daily, the post which I shared, the pic I have shared. You can go there and like, you can put a comment, right? So you can engage, you can reply to comments, right? Then it's a way for you to express yourself. So share text, images, and mini clips with your friends, family, right? Expressing your ideas. Then it's again a solution to the ongoing paper crisis. So there is a paper crisis ongoing. I hope you all know. So moving into digital content, like digitally passing this information in the form of text or in the form of images, that we thought like that would be the ideal solution for now. So you don't have to work with paper anymore. Even the government officers or any other officers, we can reduce that paperwork. Even at schools, we can reduce that paperwork and go for digital information sharing, because it's one mobile app. You can just view all the content there, right? Content as in pictures, images, the information. Then it's again a medium for innovators to innovate. So now we brought up an innovative solution, and we encourage other innovators to innovate on top of this as well. So it's another medium for innovators to innovate. Why? Because so these people can come and have innovative ideas and create applications on Enmo. So Enmo also again provides application creation. So you can come up with innovative services or innovative ideas on Enmo. Then you can create such applications, right? So these were the things which we thought when we came up with Enmo. Likewise, I think you all also can brainstorm or sit back, think leisurely, and provide a solution for a problem. So we took Enmo as an example. You also can try it out, and yeah, you can join the beta testers group as well. If you want an account, still you can contact me and create an account and go ahead with that. So any questions around Enmo or around the mobile apps or innovation? So any unclear parts, I can actually again explain.